Hi all, myself Mr. Biju Balakrishnan, working as an assistant professor, the Department of MCA, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Today my topic is smart contract. Smart contract, or we call as crypto contract, is a computer program that directly and automatically controls the transfer of digital assets between the parties under certain conditions. A smart contract works in the same way as a traditional contract while also automatically enforcing the contract. Smart contracts are programs that execute exactly as they are set up, that is, coded or programmed by the creators. Now, next we are going to see about the features of the smart contract. First one is a distributed. Everyone on the network is guaranteed to have a copy of all the conditions of smart contract and they cannot be changed by one of the parties. A smart contract is replicated and distributed by all the nodes connected to the network. Next, second one is a deterministic. Smart contract can only perform functions for which they are designed only when the required conditions are met. The final outcome will not vary no matter who executes a smart contract. Third one is the immutable. Once deployed, smart contract cannot be changed. It can only be removed as long as the functionality is implemented previously. Next one is the autonomy. There is no third party involved. The contract is made by you and shared between the parties. So no intermediaries are involved, which minimize bullying and grant full authority the dealing parties. Also, smart contract is maintained and executed by all the nodes on the network, thus removing all the controlling power from any one party's hand. Next one is a customizable. Smart contracts have the ability to for modifications or we can say customization before being launched to do what the user wants it to do. Next one is a transparent. Small contracts are always stored on a public distributed ledger called blockchain, due to which the code is visible to everyone, whether or not they are the participants in the smart contract. Next, we are going to see the capabilities of the smart contract. First one is accuracy. Smart contracts are accurate to the limit a program has accurately coded for their execution. Next one is automation. Smart contracts are automate their task or process they are done manually. Third one is speed. Smart contracts use software code to automate tasks, thereby reducing the time it takes to maneuver through all the human interaction related process. Because everything is coded, the time taken to do all the work in the time is the time taken for the code in the smart contract to execute. Next one is a backup. Every node in the blockchain maintains the shared ledger, providing probably the best backup facility. Next one is security. Cryptography can make sure that the assets are safe and sound. Even if some breaks the encryption, the hacker will have to modify all the blocks that come after the block which has been modified. Please note that this is a highly difficult and computation intensive task and is practically impossible for a small or medium sized organization to do. Next one is the saving. Small contracts save money as they eliminate the presence of intermediaries in the process. Also, money spent on the paperwork is minimal to zero. Next, we are going to see about the working of the smart contract. A smart contract is just a digital contract with the security coding of the blockchain. It has deals and permission written in code that require an exact sequence of events to take the place to trigger the agreement of the terms mentioned in the smart contract. It can also include the time constraint that can include the deadlines in the contract. Every smart contract has its address in the blockchain. The contract can be with by using its address, presuming the contract has been broadcasted on the network. The idea behind the smart contract is very pretty simple. They are executed on the basis of the simple logic if then. For example, if you send an object A, then the sum that the money in the cryptocurrency will be transferred to you. If you transfer a certain amount of digital assets, cryptocurrency, for example, either Bitcoin, then an object will be transferred to you. If I finish the work, then the digital assets mentioned in the contract will be transferred to me. This is how the smart contracts works. We have the identify agreement, set conditions, core business logic, and network updates, execution process, and encryption blockchain technology. So this is the process how we are going to the arrow marks is a flow of the smart contract how they works. Now we are going to see the advantages of the smart contract. First one is a record keeping. All contract transactions are stored in a chronological order in the blockchain and can be accessed along with the complete audit trail. However, the parties involved can be secured cryptographically for full privacy. Second one is autonomy. There are direct dealing between parties. Smart contracts remove the need of for intermediaries and allow for transparent direct relationship with customers. Reduce fraud. Fraudulent activity detection and reduction. Small contracts are stored in the blockchain. Forcefully modifying the blockchain is very difficult as it's computation intensive. Also, a violation of the smart contract can be detected by the nodes in the network, such as a violation attempt is marked invalid and not stored in the blockchain. Fourth one is a fault tolerance. Since no single person or entity is in the control of the digital assets, one party domination and situation of the one part backing out do not happen as the platform is decentralized. And so even if one node detaches itself from the network, the contract remains intact. Next one is enhanced trust. Business agreements are automatically executed and enforced. Plus, the agreements are immutable and therefore unbreakable and undeniable. Last one is the cost efficiency. The application of the smart contracts eliminates the need for intermediaries. That is, we can say the brokers or lawyers, notary, witness, etc., leading to reduced cost. All eliminates paperwork, leading to paper saving and money saving. So this is the image of the smart contract. Thank you.